This is my 1979 Sachs Prima G3 moped with a Sachs 1D motor. It has wheels, handlebars, and a gas tank, and if you give it a bit of a pedal, it should start going on its own thanks to its whopping 49 cubic centimeters of displacement. Supposedly, it's going to go 30 miles per hour or 40 kilometers per hour, and in the 40 years since it was built in Nuremberg, Germany, it's racked up about 6,700 miles. My goal is to get this moped in good running order before the summer of 2019, so we've got about 6 months. The first step is to strip the bike. Today we're going to be removing the body panels, the seat, and the gas tank. This is my garage. It's uninsulated and unheated except for this little kerosene heater, which does a great job. There are 2 small side panels, but my bike only has one of them. It's only held on with 2 prongs and a single bolt. The back panel and seat are held together with a bunch of small screws. To remove them together, I'm taking off the rack, which is connected to the bike by 2 small bolts on the fender and also at the top of the rear shocks. I'll pull the body panel and the seat apart later when I start working on them. The gas tank is only held on by 1 bolt and 2 rubber bushings on the side of the frame. Thanks for watching. If you want to see how this project continues, please like and subscribe.